A big thank you to Nadula for sponsoring today's video. This is Nadula's 13x4 HD Real Scalp Layered Cut Straight Lace Frontal Wig. You can see the layers that were cut in the hair. They start up here, and then it is 24 inches. Silky straight hair. It has Skin Milk HD lace in the front, and it has the invisible drawstring in the back, so you don't have to worry about this being a glueless unit. You can adjust the drawstring, and you can also adjust the wig band that's on the inside. But this hair is beautiful, silky straight, bone straight, bust down middle part. It has nice layers, nice density. I did cut about 1 inch off at the bottom. And yeah, that's it. Super easy, quick hair. I love the scalp that's here, the edges. I mean, everything. It's just everything. It's super easy, y'all. This is just that throw on, get up and go wig, and you can never go wrong with silky straight hair. Okay, y'all, this is the final look of this hair. As you saw, you can put this hair in different hairstyles. You can do half up, half down. You can do it up in a ponytail. You can do a low ponytail. You can have little pieces hanging down. I just use my little hair clip to clip it up. Just really easy, really simple. You can just throw it up in a bun, have it straight down like this. This, of course, is how I'm gonna wear it, because I just think straight down, middle part. This is sexy. This is easy to do. Y'all saw me run the flat iron through it super quick. It flat irons really easy, and I mean, it just has a lot of luster and shine to it. Look at that. Just beautiful. So you guys, check out Nadula. All the information will be down below in the description box. Of course, the links to their website, straight to this unit as well. And you guys, get you a silky straight wig. Look at this. I mean, just gorgeous. And a huge shout out to Nadula for sponsoring today's video.